Hey guys, my name's Grant Cardone. This right here in my hand is $100,000 US dollars. Okay, you can see it's all real. Just went to the bank today and got it. I got a phone call from Discovery Channel. They said, hey, would you put up $1 million to prove that you could take 100 bucks, just 100, take you down to $100, and you could turn it into $1 million business in 90 days. That's what they asked. They said, could you do it? So I went to the bank and said, you know what? Give me $1 million in cash. This bag right here, you can see right here, this bag says $250,000. Okay, see what 100 grand looks like? See what 100 grand looks like? That's 250. 2 bags, 4 bags for you guys that can multiply. 4 times 250 is $1,100,000. The 100's for me. By the way, I went and got me a Glenn Stearns full shirt on. I got my full Glenn Stearns gear on, and I got my cash flow hat ready to go. This is $1 million that I bet Discovery Channel. Discovery, and by the way, they're coming out with an app. They're so jacked up about this show. They're gonna stream this so you can watch these shows from your office and not have to wait till Wednesday night. December 6th, January 6th, it's a Wednesday night. They're gonna play for 12 weeks, me hustling a town with no money. Literally, I have one of these $100 bills, a $100 bill. That's all I had. Let's see, I think I got that on me, in fact. Let me see. Yeah, I do. They took all my money away from me and said, hey man, we're gonna give you $100. You gotta figure out where you're gonna sleep, where you're gonna eat, how you're gonna eat. You gotta figure out your water. You gotta figure everything out, where to pee. You can't use your name, can't use your contacts, can't use your computer, can't use your phone. They gave me a new phone, an old truck, and they let me keep $100. And they said, could you turn it into $1 million business? I said, not only can I, and if I can, I should, and if I should, I must. I must show you I can do this. So what I did was I said, not only can I do it, I can do it in 90 days, and I can do it during COVID. Not only can I do it, I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is, and I'm gonna bet 1 million, 10 of these stacks, 4 of these bags. I'm gonna bet $1 million. If I come up 1 penny short, I'm gonna put up this $1 million to prove to you the American dream is alive and well in any city, in your backyard. Dude, you Gold Rush fans, y'all don't need to go get Caterpillar trucks and bulldozers and move to Alaska to try to find freaking gold in a river. I can show you it's in your damn backyard. And I bet $1 million on it. Any city in America, any city in the world, any town, any little village anywhere on planet Earth, if I could speak the language, I can find the dough. And I'm gonna bet $1 million and put my money where my mouth is. There's a lot of experts out there, a lot of people saying what they can do. Very few people betting. Very few people put their money where their mouth is. In 90 days, I will try to turn this measly $100 bill into a $1 million business. Spoiler alert, I'm gonna try to 10X this business. I'm gonna try to build a $10 million business. I'm gonna try to build 100 of these stacks, 100, 25 of these bags. Is that right? No, 40 of these bags. I'm gonna try to build 40 of these bags, and all they gave me was $100 and a piece of shit truck. And now, when I tell you the truck's a piece of shit, it ain't a spoiler alert. It's a damn piece of shit truck. Glenn Stearns, I'm coming for you, dog. I'm coming for you, okay? Get ready, Discovery, get ready. Y'all want some good promo? Here it is. And by the way, we're gonna give this $100,000 away that I kept for myself. We're gonna give this away to our friends and our followers, our partners, our customers. We're gonna give this away when you guys watch Undercover Billionaire, January 6th on Discovery. When you guys watch every night, we're gonna be just peeling off hundreds, sending it out to our fans, our followers, even some of the haters. You guys, you haters. You hate this? I gotta go back to the bank and put this up because they don't like me dragging around Miami with me, okay? If I am in Miami, I don't even know where I am right now. Go get that money, go get that money. But come first, before you go get that money, hey, watch my moves, January 6th on Discovery Channel every Wednesday night. I'm gonna be showing you how to go from nothing to trying to build $1 million business, maybe a $10 million business. You're gonna be shocked what happened. You're gonna be shocked what I learned along the way. You're gonna see me fail. You're gonna see me fall. You're gonna see me break down. Dude, you're gonna laugh, you're gonna cry, but mostly you're gonna learn the American dream is alive and well. It's out there waiting for you. It's out there waiting for you. When you're sleeping, it's setting up saying, who's coming for me? Who's got my money? Uncle G's gonna show you. January 6th, Discovery Channel. Check it out. That's $1,100,000, boys. Huh? That's real. Is that real? Let me see. The amount, $2 million in $100 bills. And this is just half of it. Can you get a close up of this? The bank wouldn't print that if that shit wasn't true. I know there's some of you guys out there, y'all pull your $1,000 of fake money out. I'm giving this away tonight. You got your Monopoly money you're giving out. Give an iPhone, an iPad. This is $1,100,000, okay? I bet Discovery. Discovery calls me out to LA. Hey, hot shot. I said, look, man, not only can I do it, I'll bet $1 million I do it. If I come up 1 penny short on building $1 million business in under 90 days, I'll put $1 million on it, okay? And I'll buy everybody on the crew a car if I come up short. Ask them if I didn't say that, okay? So I got 100K sitting over here on the side. I'm gonna give away this to the viewers. Viewers, all you gotta do is come watch, comment, load up. Make sure you get Discovery Plus. Make sure you get the Discovery Plus app. They're gonna drop that on January the 4th. They're not giving the money away, by the way. Just get the app to get the knowledge. Just show up and watch the show, and I'll give you the money, okay? All right, so that's 100K. This is 250. I'm just showing you what it looks like. I wish somebody had showed me what money looked like when I was a kid, man. All I saw was my mama clipping coupons, trying to save $1. Okay, you can save $1 for the rest of your life as long as you want, until you learn how to collect this, keep this, boom, multiply this. That's what I'm gonna show you how to do January the 6th. The show drops. January 4th, the app drops. Get the app, watch the show, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna teach you. Whoa. You see, it can get a little rocky sometimes. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the American dream is alive and real, dude, and it's easier to pick up $1 million in a city than it is to just get by. I'm gonna show you how.